TechnoSkill Electronics Services Private Limited specializes in B2B electronic repair solutions, catering to the needs of leading electronic and TV brands. With a commitment to quality and efficiency, the company ensures that brands meet their warranty commitments while safeguarding their reputation. By providing sustainable and cost-effective repair solutions, the company plays a crucial role in minimizing e-waste and promoting a greener industry. The company's vision is to empower brands by delivering exceptional electronic repair services that enhance product longevity and customer satisfaction. Through innovation and expertise, it strives to set new benchmarks in the industry while contributing to environmental sustainability. Its mission is to build long-term partnerships with electronic brands by offering reliable and efficient repair services. By focusing on trust, quality, and sustainability, the company aims to be a leader in electronic repair and refurbishment, ensuring brands maintain strong customer relationships. Equipped with advanced infrastructure and cutting-edge repair technologies, the company operates with a skilled team of professionals dedicated to delivering superior services. With expertise in PCB repair and refurbishment, the company continuously innovates to meet industry demands and uphold the highest standards in electronics servicing. By innovating at the component level, the company prevents nearly 50 tons of e-waste every year from ending up in landfills, making a measurable impact on the environment and the industry. The company collaborates with esteemed brands, including Reliance, Croma, Godrej, Oneida, IFB, Me, Amstrad, Weiss, Wonderchef, BPL, and Kelvinator. Through strong partnerships, it reinforces its position as a trusted service provider in the electronic repair industry. Established in the year 2024, based in Mumbai, Maharashtra, it is one of the fastest growing companies in India. India 500 Startup Awards 2025 for quality excellence goes to TechnoSkill Electronics Services Private Limited.